Harmful DIY ingredient part 1. So today we'll be talking about lemon. So the irony is that there are thousands and thousands of recipes, skincare remedies on Pinterest or YouTube that amplifies the use of lemon to get rid of dark circles, acne spots, acne scars. So you name a problem and I'll guarantee you that there will be some sort of DIY skincare remedy that involves the usage of lemon. The reality is that lemon is something that should be going inside your body rather than on your skin. So the reason it was hyped and considered as a wannabe hero ingredient in DIY skincare community is because of its ingredients. It contains ascorbic acid, citric acid, and niacinamide. All of these ingredients are really good to prevent sun damage, discoloration, pigmentation, to exfoliate your skin. And that's how people got confused that if it does contain all these potent ingredients, then it might be really good for their skin. But the harsh reality is that the quantity, quality, and concentration of these ingredients is really low in lemon juice as compared to a well formulated skincare product. Another major reason that you shouldn't be grabbing lemon for your next DIY skincare remedy is because it contains phototoxic chemicals which are really harmful for your skin as they can cause hyperpigmentation, blisters, and moreover photosensitivity, which is a nightmare for sensitive skin. I hope you like this video, and for part 2, stay tuned, and meanwhile, stay will share this video.